you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have Vienna's Barkbox to show you for July. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So July's Barkbox just arrived, and I know she's super excited. Okay, so now that she's a little bit more situated, this is her box for this month. Again, this is for July 2021. Let's go ahead and see what the theme... How cute! It's a Space Jam theme! You don't know what Space Jam is, but oh my gosh, that is so cute! Space Jam! And then inside, there's Bugs Bunny. Okay, so we have the toys inside. Oh my gosh, this is all Space Jam. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what they are up close and personal. So the first one, it says it's an extra small to small. It has a custom basketball squeaker and a crazy crinkle. Ooh, so yeah, she's gonna chew that. And then there's a crazy crinkle. Oh, and the feet. And then it's right here. It's the ball. You see the ball? What are you gonna do with your what are you gonna do with your little paw? You can't play with it just yet. Well, here, let me switch it. Let me show them this one. You can see that one for a second. And then this one here says custom basketball squeaker. So inside the head, and then crazy crinkle in the feet. But how cute is that? Look at how cute. Oh, and the ears too. Bugs Bunny's ears have crinkle in them as well. So how cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this theme. Oops, she's grabbing the other one. So for the treats that she's getting, normally you get 2 bags and 1 meaty chew, which they've changed hers to 3 bags, which we did change, which I will get into in a moment. But for this particular month, she has the 3. So we have Toon Squad treats, duck recipe with veggies. That is so cute. And then this one says Toon Squad treats, pork recipe with apples. And these are like long sticks. And these are like little chunks. These are like chunky treats, and those are long sticks. And then the third one is Toon Squad treats, turkey recipe. And these are the little chunky, I do not want you to fall, ma'am. The little chunky Dunkin' ones. Okay, so let me pull this out so we can see all of the different toys that could have been in this particular theme. So for this month, here is the different toy card. All of these different ones would be depending on the variety and the size, all of that. How cool is that? Look at the little Tasmanian devil, the little shoe. That is adorable. I love the ones that they sent to her, the Bugs Bunny and the Tweety Bird. Super, super cute. Okay, you guys, so if you want to know a little bit more information about Barkbox, I will let you know right now. They have the Barkbox where you get this one, and what I was saying earlier is how I changed it. I got a hold of them to ask if there's a way that I can customize her box just a little bit, because getting 3 bags of treats every month is being stockpiled, and she's already getting a little chunky. She's going to be 11 next month, so I definitely don't want to overfeed her with treats just so she can eat them. So I asked if I could do like more toys or what kind of thing. They said what I could do is do a toy only box for what I'm currently paying. But if you follow me, you know this girl has more toys now than I probably did in my entire life. So she doesn't really need more toys every single month. They said I had another option. I could do less, where I would get 1 chew, 1 bag of treats, and 1 toy every month, and it's less money. It's like half the cost. I think it's like about $15, $14.95, something like that. So that's the one that I chose. So After this box, starting now next month, she'll have one toy, one bag of treats, and one of the meaty chews, which those, again, she doesn't eat, but I will go ahead and pass them to a family member's dog who they have bigger dogs and they will love to eat them. So anyway, with Barkbox, they have their Barkbox, and you can do that monthly. The more months you prepay for, the cheaper it goes. And then they actually have a super chewer. So if you have a dog that's a super chewer and is very, very tough on their toys, that one is basically, they're guaranteed. They're fluff-free toys. They're guaranteed to last, and if not, they will replace them. They also have, if you want anything to do with like dental, they have a little dental thing, and now they're actually coming out with dog food, so you can actually purchase dog food from them as well if you would like. She gets fresh dog food that I've been giving her for a while, so I don't purchase her dog food from Barkbox, but yeah, she absolutely loves this box, so I definitely didn't want to take it from her, but I did need to cut back a little bit. So I love the fact that they can customize it and switch things up. They have the best customer service. You have any questions or anything at all, you just contact them. They respond very quickly and they're on it. And yeah, I absolutely love Barkbox, and she does too. So I'm going to go ahead and put her down and let her play with her toys. So if you do want to see her play with her toys, then here you go. right, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys. And that's another thing, when she gets 2 toys, if she got 3, she'd probably only play with one of them at that time. So it's good now that she's just gonna get 1 new toy every single month, and she can look forward to that. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the theme? What did you think of the toys that she got? Your positive interaction means the world, and we greatly do appreciate it, as we greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Crafty crew, out.